Здраво! Барам дозвола од мојата држава, Македонија, дали може да ја земам за жена. Хај која погоди. Еден, два, три, 1, 2, 3. Не знаете? Не. Слушам. Ангела Меркел. Што тоа би значило? Сакам да ја кажам некои работи, некои муавети. Слушни ме, јас сум сериозен тип. Колку што можам ќе ти преведам на интернационален јазик. За да можеш да ме сватиш, ме сваќаш? Да слушни ме го. Look, Merkel, I'm a serious boy. I'm honest, and I offer you a marriage. If you like so. So I promise to you that you will be the happiest person on the planet Earth and Mars, of course. I'm a little stupid, you know, but take me, you will never find a boy like me. I have been taking so much time to say this to you. Look, Merkel, I will take care of you. I will watch you. I will help you. Like a wife, like a husband to wife, you know. I like you. I don't have a time. Think fast. I wait for you. I wait for your answer. I like you. Don't hate me. I'm a good boy. You are very pretty, you know. Search me. I'm in Macedonia. Ask for me. This song is for you, just for you. Try me. You will never let me down. You will never leave of my house, of my country, you know. Meet me alone. Bye for me now. Bye. Goodbye. No. Search me, find me, you know, if you like. because I like how many times uh, I say to you, I like you, you know. Search me. I wait you. Baby.